I'm going to say something most AI YouTubers won't admit. I've tested hundreds of AI tools over the last 4 years, and honestly, 90% of them are useless. Yeah, overhyped, complicated, or just not worth your time. But out of all that noise, I found 10 AI tools I actually use every single day. Tools that help me move faster, think better, and literally make money. And if you master even 3 of these, you won't just stay relevant in 2026. You'll be ahead of 99% of people. Let's get into it. Talk instead of typing. Let me ask you something. Why are you still typing? The average person types at 40 words per minute, but you speak at almost 130 words per minute. That's 3 times faster. Now imagine replying to emails, DMs, or even writing scripts just by talking. There's a tool that lets you do exactly that. You just speak naturally like, "Hey, let's meet tomorrow." Actually, no, push it to Friday evening. Maybe a coffee shop near downtown. And it cleans everything up, fixes your mistakes, understands context, and turns it into perfect text. You can use it in Gmail, WhatsApp, even while prompting AI. It basically replaces your keyboard. The browser that works for you. Next up, this one feels illegal. Imagine opening your browser, and instead of you doing the work, the browser does it for you. You can literally say, "Find me the cheapest flight, compare these 2 products, reply to all my comments, apply coupon codes automatically," and it just does it. No switching tabs, no copy-paste. It's like having a virtual assistant inside your browser 24/7. AI that thinks like a team. Here's where things get crazy. Instead of asking one AI, what if you asked multiple AIs at the same time and then made them debate each other? That's exactly what this tool does. You ask a question, one AI answers, another AI critiques it, another improves it, and then a final judge AI combines the best parts into one powerful answer. It's like having a boardroom of AI experts solving your problem, way smarter than relying on just one model. AI that tracks your interests daily. This one is for people who want an unfair advantage. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you tell this AI, track startups, track crypto, track AI tools, and every morning you get a curated feed of exactly what matters to you. No noise, no wasted time, just signal. Imagine waking up and already knowing what's trending in your niche. Build websites without coding. All right, let's talk creation. Most AI-generated websites look terrible. You can tell instantly it's AI, but not anymore. There's a tool now where you just say, "Build me a modern portfolio for a video editor with dark theme and animations." And in 2 to 3 minutes, you get a beautiful, professional design. And the crazy part? You can turn that design into a live website instantly. No coding, no hiring, just idea to execution. Become an AI filmmaker. This might be the biggest opportunity right now. People are literally making money, winning competitions, building audiences, just by creating AI videos. And the new tools let you control things like camera angles, lighting, motion lens style. You're basically directing a film without a camera. You can create ads, reels, cinematic clips, even short films. This is a whole new career path. One-line image generation. Now, if you're not into complex prompts, this is for you. You type something simple like, "Futuristic city at sunset with neon lights," and boom, you get high-quality visuals. But here's the best part. You can edit it like, make it darker, add rain, change angle, and it keeps everything consistent. Perfect for thumbnails, Instagram posts, brand visuals. Clean any audio instantly. If you create content, this tool is gold. Let's say you recorded something in a noisy cafe. It can remove background noise, extract only your voice, isolate music, split layers of audio. You can literally separate a voice from chaos. Great for podcasts, YouTube, Reels, anything audio-based. Automate workflows and make money. Now let's talk money. There's a tool that lets you build automations like Lego blocks. You connect apps, add logic, and create workflows that run automatically. For example, lead comes in, email sent, data stored, follow-up scheduled. Businesses pay for this. You can literally build simple automations and sell them as services. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning with AI right now. Last one, and this is underrated. Creating slides used to take hours. Now, you type your topic, and it generates a full presentation with data, charts, and structure. Not basic slides. I'm talking business-level insights, clean visuals, deep content. Perfect for students, founders, consultants. So yeah, out of hundreds of tools, these are the 10 that actually matter. You don't need everything. Just pick 2 to 3, master them, and you'll already be ahead of most people.